If your foundation has been sitting weird lately, catching light in places it never used to, or just looking fuzzy, it's not your makeup, it's the peach fuzz nobody told you about. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I shave my face at home in about 5 minutes with 2 little tools that changed my whole routine. This little bottle that I'm spraying on my face is hair identifier spray. You mist it on clean dry skin and it clings to every fuzz, so you can actually see what you're working with. Before I started using this, I was basically shaving blind, missing whole patches on my jawline and then going back over sensitive spots I'd already done. This takes the guesswork out completely. Now, normally I don't put this much on, but I wanted you to be able to see every little hair the way I do. Do you see how it highlights everything? Now for the razor. We always start with a fresh, clean razor. No dull razors, no previously used razors, nothing with bacteria or germs on it. When we're shaving, we're holding it at a 45-degree angle. Not flat, not straight up. Pull your skin taut with the other hand and use short, feather-light downward strokes. You're not pressing, you're barely kissing the skin. And then I work in sections, beginning at the forehead first. Places to avoid will be the eyebrows, the eyelids, directly under the eye. Of course, be careful around any moles or anything that's protruding on your face. Now, let me be clear about one thing. What I'm doing today is at-home face shaving with a facial razor. This is not the same as professional dermaplaning. In an office, a licensed esthetician uses a surgical scalpel and takes off a much deeper layer of dead skin, which is why people can leave looking red, sometimes peel for days, and have to baby their skin afterward. What I'm doing is way more gentle. I'm not going to peel, and I'm not even going to be red, even though I have very sensitive skin. I'll be able to put my normal skincare and makeup on after this. The only 2 things I'm skipping for the next 24 hours are exfoliants and any kind of harsh active like retinol or acids. Everything else, moisturizer, serum, SPF, makeup, it's all going to go on like normal. The benefits of this kind of shaving is that it gets rid of all that peach fuzz and some dull surface skin, and then the skincare sinks in better, the foundation glides on easier, and just looks so much more beautiful. And I'm going to say this for the ladies in the back, it does not grow back thicker. That is an old wives' tale. Our facial hair is vellus hair. That's fine, soft fuzz. It grows back exactly the way it was. Once I'm done, I rinse with cool water and pat dry. Put on my serum, moisturizer, and SPF if it's daytime. Just remember, no exfoliating scrubs, no retinol, no acids for the next 24 hours. Some doctors say that you can do the at-home shaving every week, and others recommend no more than every 2 to 3 weeks. I like to err on the side of caution. I personally could do it every 2 weeks, but I forget and end up doing it about once a month. If you'd like to check out the exact products that I used, I've got them linked in the description. Now that that's done, my foundation is going to look amazing for the next couple of weeks. I think you're beautiful, fuzzy-faced or not. I'll see you in the next video.